Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to connect your Ecwid store with Stripe. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started connecting Stripe to your Ecwid store. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. At the left side screen, you want to go ahead and find the payment section right here. By opening up the payment section, it's going to go ahead and open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the payment methods that you can use for your store. As you can see, we have PayPal option right here, and what we can do guys is scroll down where we can get started with finding other ways we can get paid. So you have multiple payment methods such as through checkout, Pleasio, and so on that you can get started, even adding manual payment methods. But basically guys, here you can go ahead and choose your payment processor, and from here guys, you can go ahead and get started with selecting your Stripe plan. So whichever option you prefer to use with your Stripe provider. As you can see here, you have Stripe, so you can just select Stripe guys, and this is not going to provide you with the option to collect Stripe. So click connect, enable, and this is now going to enable you to input all your info and start connecting your Stripe account to Ecwid, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.